guys, Agent Overgamer here, and welcome to Let's Play with Robin.
Hello guys. Today we're going to take you a tour around the house.
We now have a car and a training room. I'm just going to drive the car down to the school. See ya. Just kidding, hop in the car. So we run our Hotel Plus Cafe. It has a prison in it, and yeah. Are you getting in the car?
I'm trying to get in the car. Oh no, I lost connection.
I lost connection to the game server.
Same.
I will be back.
Well, we both will.
So guys, this is how we talk. See, I'm voice chatting with them. Ooh. Yeah, I'll play that game later.
Hey there, neighbor. Can I come inside?
Okay guys, I'll be back in a sec.
Yeah, he'll just be back in a sec. Well, I'm going to the cafe. What? Hey guys, it's just loaded at night.
Alright guys, I'm back.
We sort of have a little problem here.
What?
I have to close Roblox altogether and restart it. We'll be back after this short break.
Well, I'll show you the new event guys. If you didn't know, there is a new event on Roblox. It is called Imagination. It will be sponsored by Next Gen. Next Gen is a movie on Netflix. And the event is on Roblox. You can either earn the Momo Companion, Maze Sunglasses, 7723 Companion. Well,
Loading.
can't just get him. But
Okay, you're going to have to join my game now.
you can also get Cloud Messenger Bag, the Powerful Paintbrush, the Rainbow Wings of Imagination, which I have. And then you could get the Cubot, Maze Backpack. That's it. So that is the event. You also play games to earn the items. And that's it.
Alright. He will just be joining me now in this cafe. Also guys, we've got some waterfalls here. This game is called Welcome to Bloxburg. If you want it, you have to pay 25 Robux to be able to do it.
There's one problem. I can't join you, Levi.
Why?
It says you're not playing a game.
Quit Roblox altogether and open it again.
I can't do that.
Just close Safari.
I'm not on Safari.
Oh. Just close Roblox.
I'm not on Roblox, I'm on Chrome.
Wait, just go to games and then come back to join.
Sorry guys about this. Yeah, it will work.
I'm just telling you guys to get in my car. Mate, we have someone in our car.
It won't work.
So just, yeah, shut down Roblox.
You can't do that on a Mac.
Right, so the car is just out the front. So guys, by the way, this is just a little cleaning shed. I'm just gonna do some washing up. Robin,
What?
how about you just get into a game, and then I'll join you after I finish this washing.
Okay. I'm in a game called, you guys didn't know what this game's called? It's called, what is it again? Speedrun 4.
Sorry, again, I meant a game in this, mate.
What? I am on Speedrun 4.
Just get into a server of Welcome to Bloxburg.
Maybe we should just do a little bit of Speedrun 4 if you want. I'll join you in a sec when I just finish this!
Well,
Ah!
I just click stop.
Yes, I redeemed the moon dimension.
And now I am going to leave and go clean up around in person's house.
Alright, I'll be right back. Levi, I just need to do this level on the moon.
Yep, sure.
Oh, this is so cool in space. Holy crap, this is hard. Yes, I got the star!
Mate,
Yeah?
there's 12 people on this game, so you'll just have to click play and then I'll play.
There are so many moon levels. Joining Levi.
A neighbor.
I'm going just to play a theme for this vid, guys.
You got to hide. I'm not one for get-togethers, and I don't like social calls. Just imagine.
Levi, the game's full.
Sorry about the alarm, people.
Levi, maybe we could show our fans how good we are at Island Royal.
Maybe we should do that a bit later because we haven't had a customer yet.
There's a new spy thing. And the volcano is smoking. New spy themed shop items. Volcano smoking.
I just said, would you like to control to it down?
Yeah, your game's full.
Okay, Nate, you just join a server and I'll join you.
But I'm on the Island Royal little page.
Okay, we'll go play Island Royale.
If you guys didn't know, we did make a video of this, but we actually cornered a guy, the last guy, and we won.
Yeah, Nate sniped him and I finished him off with a machine gun.
I was hidden in a tree. We both shot him at the same time.
But remember when you saved me from a guy who was sneaking up behind me?
I was just like, don't you dare. Pew!
And then his teammate came up behind you, and I just went like,
Yeah, but the way we won is we shot the dude at the same time. There was
Yeah,
nothing he could do.
You sniped him, and then yeah.
We shot him at the same time, so our bullet combined, and there was nothing he could do.
Yeah. I am trying to find where you are.
I'm just going to check if there are any codes.
Yes, guys, I have a friend called Lemon Farts.
Lemon farts.
What, he does?
He does lemon farts?
Yeah.
Oh, there's a code in its agent.
Oh, really? Do you
Yeah.
mind if I check that out? Because I didn't leave again.
It gives you $2,000.
Oh, yeah, I'm definitely doing that.
And there's a code called Xbox Time.
Yeah, but guys, the first time we played it, we won.
There's another code, it's called Ruler.
Yeah.
It's outdated. There's free codes, anyone, get them quick.
So now, it said it's invalid for agent.
It's all uppercase.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I'm just gonna check these virtual item codes, because if they're redeemed, then yeah, and someone goes in here.
Is Xbox Time one word?
Yes. Just to check these toy codes, so that if you watch this video and you go to here, you'll know that it's probably just fake.
Will I redeem Xbox Time? Hey! Item shop. Do I have enough money for anything? Yeah, I do.
Alright, I only got 2 minutes until this video has to end.
Oh, jeez.
Alright, what do I want to get on
I do
here?
not want to wear that.
Oh, I get an undercover suit.
Yeah, so did I.
Oh,
Okay, now-
sneak stuff.
Until I sent an invite to you.
Yeah, but I'm just gonna unlock something. The red trail.
Okay, I invited you.
Lobby.
There you are. Do you like what I look like?
Yes. Wait, is it duo?
Are we ready? So where are we going to drop? Just the divot?
You can check on your map and it'll show where I've pointed to go.
Wait, so just tell me where you want us to land.
I'm not sure where to land, so I'm just gonna plant it somewhere, and then you should see my little plant.
Yeah, I'm just having fun beating the sky with my pickaxe.
I don't know what this is, this dance.
Have you chosen a swap yet?
Wait, have you